Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a product to your Shopify store step by step. We'll go through everything from writing the title, adding a description, setting your price, adding photography, and all the steps you need to go through. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your first product live and ready to sell. So let's jump right into it. First, from your Shopify dashboard, go to the left side menu and click on Products, then hit Add Product. This will open up the main product editor, and this page is basically where everything about your product lives. The name, description, price, inventory, photography, shipping, everything. So at the very top, you'll see the title box. Let's name this one Basic Black T-shirt. Okay. I recommend to keep the titles short and descriptive, like you want people to instantly know what it is, and also it needs to look clean. So I will go for a maximum 5 or 6 words, and we are done. Moving on, right below we have the description box. Here I recommend adding an overall description of your product that explains what your product is in just a few words and why is great. You don't have to add all the product information just in this one box. I mean, you have multiple ways to display more information about your product through the product page or by using collapsible rows. So I'm going to keep this simple. Next, we have the media section. Click Upload New under the media section and choose your product images. Try to include at least 2 or 3 pictures, one front, one back, and maybe one lifestyle shot. Shopify automatically adjusts how they are displayed, but make sure the main image is clean and centered. We can also drag these images, as you can see, and arrange them however you want. Once you're done, now let's scroll down to category and choose the category you want this product to be. Most of the time Shopify will do that automatically, but make sure this is correct. Below that, you'll find the price. So let's set the price to $29. This is what your customers actually pay. Then there's a box that says compare at price. That's the old price you want to show crossed out so people see it's on sale. Let's type 40 there and make sure this checkbox charge tax on this product is checked. That's normal for most stores. Now let's move on to the inventory section. If you want Shopify to automatically track how many units you have, make sure this track quantity checkbox is turned on. You'll see a box that says quantity. If you have 10 shirts in stock, just type in the number. And you can also add SQ, and that's a code you use to organize products, but you can leave it empty for now if you're just starting out. It's not that important. Since this is a physical product, make sure the "this is a physical product" toggle is on. If you're selling digital products, just switch it off. Now, under weight, you can type the weight of your product. For a t-shirt, maybe 0.2 kilo. This helps Shopify calculate shipping rates automatically when customers check out, and that's pretty much all here. Now, moving down, if your product comes in multiple sizes or colors, you'll set that up here under variants. So if I click Add Variant, you can see here we have multiple options, but let's say we want to add sizes for this product. Just click on Size, and then we have these option values. So we are going to select the sizes that we have. Okay, now Shopify will automatically create 3 versions of your product with those sizes, as you can see here. You can later set different prices for different sizes, different quantities, or add images for each one. Now, if you want to add multiple colors, we go back again and select the colors and just add the colors that we have available for this product as an example. And again, we can add different images for each color as well, as you can see here. All right, now on the right side, you will see product organization. Here you can add details like vendor. If you make your own products, just put your brand name. Okay, then we have collections. This is where the product will appear in your store. You can add it to t-shirts or bestsellers or whatever collection you want to create. Basically, you just have to create a collection and assign this product to the collection you just created. You can watch the video that I attached here so you can understand how to create collections in Shopify. Now moving on, we have tags. Here we can add a few words that define our product. It's not really that necessary, to be honest, but they help organize and filter the products on your website. Okay, now up here you'll see publishing. Make sure it's active on your online store and any other channels you have. All right, before we hit save, there's one last part most beginners skip, and it actually helps your store show up better on Google, is this thing called search engine listing. The first thing here is the page title, and here you just enter the name of your product, but a bit more optimized for search. Not the same thing we wrote earlier for the product title. This one is more for Google, so later when you learn about SEO, keywords, search volume, all that stuff, you'll understand how to adjust this so you can rank better when people look for your product on Google. Then you got the meta description. Here you explain what a product is in a simple way. And again, you can use specific keywords that have good search volume so you can rank higher. I would recommend using tools like SEMrush so you can see the search volume of certain keywords on the internet. And that's basically all. Once you do this, your product is ready to go live. Just hit save and that's it. After that, you can click on preview to see exactly how everything looks on your website. And if you're using a team like Materia, everything already looks clean by default. As you can see, the product page looks absolutely amazing. And I literally built this in like 5 minutes using Materia. Comparing this to Horizon or any other team, this one just gives you more flexibility and over 20 plus blocks for your product page, multiple features, and it doesn't matter what you're selling, whether you're into dropshipping, fashion, cosmetics, you can find a template just for you. You can install it into your Shopify store in just a minute and that's it. And the craziest part is that you can try it for just $1 and start creating stores that look like this in just a few minutes. You can find a link in the description of this video, or you can just go to our website. All right, so if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to leave a like, make sure to drop a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.